What your poop says about your health, and what would make your poop orange? Well, if you are experiencing orange colored poops, yes, I do have my orange poop model here, it could mean that you are eating a lot of foods that contain beta carotene. So of course, carrots, some of the brightly colored squashes that can turn your poop a little bit orange. So nothing really to be concerned about. Now, certain medications like antibiotics, one of them is rifampicin, will turn your poop orange, and antacids potentially can do this as well. So some of my tips is definitely, if you're seeing something strange in the color of your poop, always check with your practitioner. And if it is because of medications, you may want to always think, in my opinion, whenever you can do something more natural for your body to help whatever's going on, if it is chronic infections and things, to really seek out the natural way of treating some chronic infections. If it's antacids, there are natural ways to deal with this as well. You also want to fix your gut. So if you do have leaky gut syndrome, if there's imbalances in your microbiome, this could be a great way for getting healthier in general and maybe not having to use some of those medications. So today I talked all about what your poop says about your health and talking about what makes your poop orange. I hope that you learned something new. If you do have questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you, so please drop it in the comment section below. Give me a big thumbs up as well. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and click that bell to turn on your post notifications. Everyone has a calling in life, and one of mine is to educate you how to live your life in tune and in line with nature. Thanks for watching.